Hello guys and welcome back to another video of channel MotoShastra. Video we are going to compare the two different engines from Yamaha's R15 version 3 and another is from the Royal Enfield's Classic 350. So without wasting time, let's get started. First, coming to displacement, Yamaha R15 comes with a 155.1cc while Royal Enfield's 350cc comes with a 346cc displacement. Look at the cubic capacity of both engines. There is not any direct comparison, but when it comes to power, Yamaha 150cc engine produces 19.3 horsepower at 10,000 rpm, while the 350cc engine only produces 19.8 horsepower at 5250 rpm. These figures make huge difference in power to weight ratio. Next up is the torque. The torque on Yamaha R15 is only 14.7 Newton meter at 8500 rpm, while on the Royal Enfield the torque is 28 Newton meter at 4000 rpm. And this is the only section where this 350cc engine excels from a 150cc engine. There are many advantages of higher torque, like service life is dramatically enhanced by keeping engine speed low. The friction losses are reduced. Having higher torque allows for a greater horsepower at lower RPMs. Next comes the number of valves. 150cc comes with 4 valves, while on a 350cc unit there are only 2 valves. What are the advantages of having more valves per cylinder? First, the airflow inside the engine increases, means better scavenging. Second, it allows engine to run at high RPM. Third, it produces more power. And fourth, it enables variable valve timing. Next up is the number of gears. The 150cc gets 6 gears, while Royal Enfield's 350cc only get 5 gears. More number of gears helps in achieving better speeds at highways. That's why the top speed of R15 version 3 is 140 km per hour, while on Royal Enfield Classic 350 it is only 115 km per hour. The fueling system. R15 gets fuel injection system, while Royal Enfield 350cc unit comes with only carburetor. FI system makes a huge difference, which enables smoother and fuel efficient performance. Last is the cooling system. The R15 150cc unit gets a liquid cooling, while the 350cc unit gets only air cooling, which is very disappointing because a 350cc engine which result in hotter bike running every time you ride it in normal conditions also. Both these engines are different in character, but if we compare the technology and performance figure with the fuel economy, the R15 version 3 150cc engine takes lead ahead. That's about all for this video guys. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to MotoShastra. Always go with passion. Enjoy your day.